Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Jazz headlight. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. This ensures your safety and prevents accidental electrical issues. Now, open the hood and identify the headlight unit you plan to remove. Next, we will disconnect the necessary components. Gently unclip the main electrical connector from the rear of the headlight assembly. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Then, using your 10mm socket wrench, remove the two bolts positioned on the top of the headlight unit. Finally, find the single screw that secures the headlight to the fender and remove it with your screwdriver. With the bolts and screw removed, it is time to release the headlight. Gently pull the headlight unit forward from the vehicle. There are often one or two hidden clips or tabs that will release with a firm but careful pull. Double-check that all electrical wiring and harnesses are completely disconnected and clear. Now, carefully maneuver the entire headlight assembly out of its housing, taking care not to scratch the surrounding paintwork. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect the removed headlight for any damage or wear. This is also a good time to clean the headlight housing area, removing any dirt or debris. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all bolts are tightened to a snug fit and the electrical connector is securely reattached. A proper connection ensures your lights function correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.